Today, we're gonna suit up and build our very own rockets. Empty a juice bottle, grab some clay, and grab 2 different size straws so that they can fit into each other just like this. Take your smaller straw and cut it in half. Slide this into your container. Now we need something to launch. Take your extra straws, the bigger ones, and cut them in half. Take a little piece of clay and add some clay to the top to seal them. Place that onto our launcher and fire. Oh, that was awesome. Can you build one of those? Can you try to improve the flight of your rocket at home? Super cool. Remember, until next time, keep learning. Full steam ahead.